All right. Hey, Dr. Grissom. Doing the problem worth solving reflection. Um, I think some of my biggest takeaways from this video were doing that. Um, hmm, I think what I really liked was the aspect of like not to think about the business, but rather to think about a problem and rather in solving that, and that the business aspects come later than that. Um, as well as like clients typically they don't know exactly what they want, and like they might tell you a certain thing, or like the search bar aspect where it's like they don't specifically know what they need. I think that's very useful in terms of like communications and trying to figure out what's the most efficient way to go about um, how to solve the problem but without doing extra work and needless hassle for that. So I thought that was cool. um, So the app that I was thinking was the food on with being able to, gosh, well, I'm blanking right now. Um, Gauge like how crowded fast food restaurants are, and um, or just food places are in general, and be able to see a menu of all the places, or like have just a localized place for all food items to go and food places to be at. Um, I think that this app would solve the problem of just like efficiency in people's times, because they're always wondering like, oh, what's the fastest place I can go to like get in and out and like do with the things that I need and get going on the rest of my schedule, because um, yeah, we're just very time focused and like getting to do like the next thing. Um, yeah, I know that just because the aspect alone of like time and how important that is, so many people um, would be on board with that. Um, an example of an app that is solving a real problem. The first thing that comes to mind is Maps, and the fact that it like gives you different routes, showing the fastest way possible to get to a certain location, and knowing that time to people is so valuable. So I think that's super cool. Um, an app that doesn't really solve a problem, I guess, would be like any entertainment and gaming app. Like, I don't know, I play a lot of Clash Royale, but I don't really feel like that that helps me solve any real problem other than the fact that I can level up. So, yeah, there's that.